Hi there, welcome to our Excel learning series for beginners. In this video, you will be learning basic concepts of a spreadsheet and familiarize yourself with the Excel workspace. So let's get started. Let's jump straight into today's topic, basics of a spreadsheet. The picture in front of you is a spreadsheet. It looks like a big grid or table. Most of you are familiar with this as an Excel application or Google Sheet. Technically speaking, a spreadsheet is a digital tool that allows you to organize, calculate and analyze data. In a spreadsheet, you may enter numbers, text, formulas, dates and other functions. Spreadsheets are made up of grids of small boxes called cells. These cells are the basic and most important structures where all the functions are performed. So let's understand these in more detail. The cells in a spreadsheet are placed in vertical and horizontal manner. Vertical lines are cells. Vertical line of cells are labeled at the top with letters A, B, C, D, whereas horizontal lines of cells are labeled at extreme left with numbers like 1, 2, 3. In Excel there are 16,383 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Each box of the grid where row and column intersects has a unique cell identifier reference number, and that is the column letter and row number. The highlighted cell belongs to column K in row 18. Therefore, the cell reference number will be K18. So in a spreadsheet, using cell explains what you can do, like data entry. You may enter numbers, words and date, formulas. Cells can contain formulas to perform calculations. For example, if you type C5 plus D5 in the cell E5, it will add the value in the resulting cell. Basic operations. We may do basic operations like mathematical calculations, financial or statistical functions, formatting of cells, and other styling actions. We can also use visual and interactive elements like chart and graphs in spreadsheets to visualize data in more attractive and informative manner. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this helped you learn something new. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.